Most people think fermentation is just recipes, but fermentation is actually about timing. After teaching fermentation for more than 2 decades, one thing has become incredibly clear to me. The microbes themselves follow cycles, seasonal cycles, environmental cycles, and even the rhythms of the moon and the zodiac. Ferment with the Stars is a year-long journey where we explore fermentation through those cycles. Each month, we focus on a new sign of the zodiac. It's not about astrology prediction. It's about discovering the deeper rhythms that fermentation already follows. But what if astrology could live in your kitchen and the living microbes that transform our food change too? It becomes less about following recipes and more about living in rhythm. It's about discovering the deeper rhythms that fermentation already follows. And each month we explore those energies through fermentation practices, ingredients, and guided activations. This is an invitation to explore the zodiac through living foods.